The Goodklfie Chopper Knives Assembly, an efficient and stable shearing solution. The Goodklfie Chopper Knives Assembly is customized according to the customer's shearing conditions, with selected materials and processes to enhance shearing life and eliminate chipping. The Goodklfie Chopper Knives Assembly of cutter, plate, edge trimming, blade, chisel, block and shims, etc. All components are processed by advanced CNC machine tools with high precision, ensuring accurate and stable blade gap and safeguarding the shearing quality. It is widely used in metal slitting production lines and various types of rolling mills, covering non-ferrous metals to high-strength steel processing. For the field of high-strength steel, the patented material G1 has significant advantages. Data from Italian customers show that when cutting 3/16mm hot-rolled steel plates maximum tensile strength 900 MPa, the life expectancy is nearly 250% higher than that of K306H13, providing a mature and reliable solution.